Hello and welcome to Follow the Steps. This is a series on spelling techniques. The first one is where we break a word into its syllables. Syllables are the different sounds in a word. So we're going to give a word in a moment, which is used a lot. It's called a common word. Definitely, it's an adverb, which means for sure something is going to happen. It's very important because it's used a lot as a common word in English. As you see, it'll be in 4 syllables. The first one is de, written here. The second syllable is fi. Then it's knit in blue, and the last one here in green is li. Definitely. Here you see it's written in a different way, where each syllable is a different colour. Definitely. De, fi, knit, li. 4 syllables, 4 different sounds. We're going to cover it up and predict the next sound. De, fi, knit, li. Okay, good. Let's try it again. De, fi, knit, li. Good. Let's say it backwards now. Li, knitly, finitely, definitely. So we can definitely spell this. De, fi, knit, li. Well done. Now you want to use the same technique to break these common words into their syllables, their different sounds. Experience, environment, and community. Can you break these into their syllables using the same technique?